stage, calm and bright, a little boy saw the night, holding blanket, eyes so wide. Stars were shining in the sky. One small star was very dim, hiding light deep within. Boy looked up and softly said, "Don't you worry, don't feel sad. Now shine, shine, little star, you are perfect as you are. Try again, don't be afraid, light will grow, it won't fade. Shine, shine, don't you cry, you can light the darkest sky. Keep on trying, you will see how bright your light can be." Little star tried once again, flickered softly just like then. For a moment it did glow, then it dimmed, oh no, oh no. Boy just smiled from below. Every try will